That was Sweetie. She was snoring. Okay, I want to show you the tablecloth.